What are you doing?
He's recording like a podcast, would you call it?
Yeah, so we're starting a video series about blue-collar Americans. Just regular American people that have cool jobs and cool stories.
He wanted to start with the B-reels with me, and then he's going to move up to better.
Is there truck and trailer?
Like
Well, hey there. I am on a mission to introduce you to as many regular, everyday blue-collar Americans as I can.
Well, that's what I've been doing.
And then tell their stories.
All right.
I'm Brandon, and I feel like in my line of duty, I am the backbone of America.
Is it the kind of thing where if you ask 5 guys how to do it, you'll get 6 answers?
I'm sure you would.
Hi, Scott Larson here from Larson's Home Furnishings in Redwood Falls and Marshall. People's attention spans today are about
Really old loader.
this is what I really do all day. I don't normally do this.
Today's gonna be a good one.
I guess at the end of the day, we got a little motto that says, help drive farmers forward. So that's what we try to do.
Here we are 117 years later. I'm 4th generation, so it's been a real legacy, real family deal, and it's called Larson's Home Furnishings.
I mean, you know how it is. This is kind of a hub for the town. Everybody kind of comes in here, and if there's something going on when Rose is working, she usually knows about it.
Some reason hard work just draws me in.
The key to longevity would be simply work hard. Work hard.
We're a small town here, so we operate different. Oh, look at this smoke show. Hey, hot stuff, you date cops?
Only that one. Okay, be safe.
All right.
Love you.
Love you.